the equation x squared minus 4 multiplying the square root of 5x plus 20 equals 0. Solve the equation x squared minus 4 multiplying the square root of 5x plus 20 equals 0. So you are once again welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve this question. Solve the equation x squared minus 4 multiplying the square root of 5x plus 20 equals 0. We are going to use the quadratic formula to solve this question. Okay, alright. So the solution. So the question once again is what? X squared minus 4 multiplying the square root of 5x plus 20 equals 0. And I said earlier that we are going to use the quadratic formula to solve this equation. Okay, so the quadratic formula is x equals negative b or minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. X equals negative b or minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. I hope you are following it. So let's identify the values now. So a is equal to what? 1. B is equal to what? Negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5. And then C is what? 20. A is equal to what? 1. B is equal to negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5. And then C is equal to what? 20. Okay, so let's substitute these values into the formula. So we have x equals negative, into brackets, negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5 in the bracket square minus 4 multiplying 1 multiplying 20 all over 2 multiplying 1. I hope you understand. So let's take the terms and then simplify it. Okay, so we are going to first take minus negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5, and then we simplify it. Then we take into bracket negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5 square. Then we simplify it. Then we take 4 multiplying 1 multiplying 20. Then we simplify it. Okay, alright. So minus negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5 is going to be what? 4 multiplying the square root of 5. And into brackets, negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5 square is also equal to 4 multiplying 5 raised to the power 1 over 2 in the bracket square, which is equal to 4 square multiplying 5 raised to the power 1 over 2 in the bracket square. And this is going to be 16 times 5. 4 square is what? 16. 5 raised to the power 1 over 2 raised to the power 2 is also going to be what? 5. So when you multiply 16 by 5, we are going to get what? 80. I hope you're following it. Then 4 multiplies 1 multiplies 20 to be what? 80. So minus negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5 is equal to what? 4 multiplying the square root of 5. And then negative 4 multiplying the square root of 5 in the bracket square is also equal to what? 80. And then 4 multiplying 1 multiplying 20 is also what? 80. So we now have x equals 4 multiplying the square root of 5 plus or minus the square root of 80 minus 80 all over 2. 2 multiplies 1 to be what? 2. So we have x equals 4 multiplying the square root of 5 plus or minus the square root of 80 minus 80 all over 2. I hope you understand. And this is going to be 4 multiplying the square root of 5 plus or minus 0. 80 minus 80 is what? 0. The square root of 0 is still 0. Okay, so we have 4 multiplies the square root of 5 plus or minus 0 over 2, which is also equal to what? 4 multiplying the square root of 5 over 2. I hope you understand. So this 2 cancels itself 1. This 2 cancels for 2 times. Okay, so our final answer for x is going to be 2 multiplying the square root of 5. X is equal to what? 2 multiplying the square root of 5. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please, I'm reminding you, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure as you have watched this video now, you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.